Hi, welcome to the Appointment Room online scheduling software. Today I'll be showing the basic setup for your dashboard. Simply fill in the sign-up form, choose a password and hit continue. An email will be sent to you to complete your registration. You will now be able to complete your own business URL that will be used to show your clients where they can book you. Please note, if you signed up for a personalized web page, alongside a booking system, we will embed your schedule onto your page. Company name is the only field required. Once this is completed, you are ready. Just head over to your dashboard. We recommend you complete the starting guide to familiarize yourself with your dashboard.